Hi, my name is Caroline Poland, and I am the founder and CEO of Poland and Associates Consulting. And today I just want to talk a little bit about giving yourself grace during this time of uncertainty. I think sometimes it can be really easy to be hard on ourselves, like I should know how to navigate this better. I should know the right answers to things. I shouldn't be struggling so much. I should be better than this. Any number of narratives that we tell ourselves. I want to remind you that it's important to give grace for yourself and your humanness in the middle of this situation. There's no step-by-step guidebook for navigating living well in the middle of a pandemic. We're really writing that book as we go, and we're using evidence-based strategies from other situations, and we're applying it to this situation, but we're doing this situation for the first time. You haven't had to live in a pandemic before, and so we don't have a set of neural connections for that. And so just like learning to do anything takes practice and time, living well in the middle of such an uncertain and unknown time and in the middle of a pandemic takes a while to learn, and it's going to be clunky, and that's okay. That's not a failing on your part at all. The clunkiness of living in a time like this is normal. So welcome to your humanness. Being human is all you can be, but it's important to give yourself grace in the clunkiness and the messiness of this. We're learning as we go. And so when you do something that you realize could have been done better, to be able to recognize that you could have done this better, or you would like to do this in a different way, and you can do it better the next time because you're learning, because you're growing in the middle of this, and because you're human, which means that you can't do it perfectly, no matter how much practice we have. So practice giving yourself grace this week in the middle of the hard things that you are experiencing and the uncertainty of living in a pandemic. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook at Poland and Associates Consulting, and continue to check back to this channel for other videos on mental health and wellness.